Hello and welcome to Immortal Moments Arts. I'm Tiffany and this is another quick fix for Daz. This time though we're going to be looking at the Daz3d shop. If you were to type in Daz3d.com, then click on the shop. This is what you come up with, and a lot of people are unhappy with the search capabilities here and don't really understand how to make it work for them. And I understand that. You go say here and you say that you want to find Genesis 8 male hair. Well, you're looking at 1,926 things, and you have to go through each and every thing in order to try and find stuff. And you can click, required items, but a lot of times those don't actually show up correctly. If you're seeing more items here than what you have on yours, that's because I have the Daz Deals. Daz Deals is something that you find up here in your account. So Daz Deals Pro. You could search for that on whatever device that you use. If you use Chrome, then you'll be in the Chrome store and whatnot. So that's what why you're seeing more things there. But even so, it's not showing everything that I would want to see in a case like this. And so instead, I shall show you the secrets to navigating the search engine here on the store. So right up here near the top, above the ads, so that it mostly gets ignored, you'll see 3D models, characters, clothing, things like that. And most likely you just ignored it thinking it was just like an advertising banner. But this is the secret. Let's say that we want to find hair for Genesis 8 female. So that's going to be a character. I don't like their new drop downs. So character, and that right there drops everything down to just characters. Now, if you look at the little strip here, now we have some new new items that you can divide by. So you could have human characters, you could have creature characters, you could have animal characters, you could have robots, and then you could have other modifiers. So in this case, we're looking for hair, so we'll go ahead and go with human. And now we can choose masculine, feminine, non-binary. So we said we wanted to find a Genesis 8 female hair, so we'll go with feminine. And now we're down to 3,351 items. But as you'll notice, this has Genesis 9, Genesis 8. It'll just go on and on and on, because these are all characters, humans, feminine. So we're going to go here to the figure and say the Genesis 8 female. And now we have it slowed down to just the characters that are feminine. Now if we go back here to characters, and then we want go back to all the way to models and go to hair. So specifically hair, we're going to do the same kind of thing. We've got short hair, long hair, facial hair, body hair, other hair, and hair textures. So say I wanted short hair, so I would click on that. And now we're down to 772. Open up the figure, and now we pick the Genesis 8 female. And now we're down to 238 hairs. We know they're generally all going to be short. Occasionally some other things may get into the way, just because of the way that they've been tagged, or because they're to be used on both the male and the female, and so they will show up in both places. If the hair is in a bundle, you may see the whole bundle show up there. But now you have it down to just hair, and generally just for Genesis 8 female. And that is the secret for searching on the Daz pages. Thank you.